Surprise! Children, do you know where am I? I am in your storybook, and today I am going to narrate you the story of the green bottle. So children, as I told you, the title of the story is The Green Bottle, and this story is all about the green bottle and the king.
Once upon a time, there lived a king, and that king had a very special bottle, the green bottle. Do you know what was so special about that bottle? That bottle had a special medicine which was able to cure all the illness of the world. One fine day, the king was relaxing in his palace, and a man visited him and said,
"Oh King, I have heard that you have the green bottle that has magical medicine. I am very sick. Please share the medicine with me."
The king thought a lot, and then the king decided,
"No, I cannot share the medicine. I will use it for myself and for my family."
The poor man was very disappointed and he went back. Soon after a few days, an old lady visited the king and she asked for a drop of medicine. The lady said,
"Oh my king, my son is ill. Please share the medicine with me. I will be very thankful to you."
The king immediately refused to share the medicine and said,
"No, I cannot share the medicine as it is for myself and for my family."
The lady was very, very sad. She went back. Years went by. One day, the king fell sick, and no doctor of the world was able to treat the king. The king decided to use the special medicine kept in the green bottle. The king told the queen, "Please get the green bottle so that I can take a drop of medicine and I can be healthy again." The queen went to get the green bottle. When she got the green bottle, she opened the lid of the green bottle. And when she opened the lid, she was surprised because there was not a single drop of medicine left in the green bottle. The king was very, very sad. He realized his mistake and said,
"Oh queen, it was very sad. I have been very greedy and selfish."
To which the queen replied,
"Yes, this is our lesson. We should always share our things with others."
Children, what do you learn from the story? Yes, we should always share our things with others because sharing